Hi, my name is Simon Berry. I'm an organic beef farmer from Devon. I'm in the Houses of Parliament today to lobby the Farm Minister, George Eustice, on the importance of agri-environmental schemes in the country. We find that these schemes are the lifeblood for the small and medium-sized farmers, not only carving out a living, but also supporting the wildlife and habitats of our lovely lands. It is imperative that he realises that the 15% modulation is absolutely essential to keep us forming this diverse countryside that we so all love.
Great. Thank you very much.
The right
Video.
How much is your membership, I say?
Fantastic. That's great.
I'll see you.